Alright, welcome back. So now we are going to talk about how to install a package in Visual Studio Code. So if I click on that icon, extensions, and here you can search any package which you want to install. Now here I can search for any packages to install for Visual Studio Code. There are a lot of packages which I have installed here, and there are some recommended packages like C++ IntelliGenS, 𝐤𝐻 𝐕𝐢𝐬𝐬, etc. And there is a specific package that I want to install, so we can open it in your browser. Like search open in browser, and here you can see the first one is open in browser. So if you want to install it, just click on install, and it's installing now. So after installing is finished, so you can go any file which you want to open in your browser. If I go for like HTML program, and here a lot of program available, but I'm choose the first one. And after opening, if you want to open this file in your browser, just right click on empty space, and there are two options like open in your default browser and open your other browser. I'm going to open a default browser, just click on it, and here you can see your file is open in your browser here. And if you want to open it other browsers which you have installed, just choose open in other browser, and here you can see a list of web browsers in your desktop or Mac. If you want to open in Google Chrome, just choose it right here. If you want in Opera Mini, just choose it. If you want to open in Apple Safari, just choose it here. Okay, now I'm going to close this file and also close the folder which I have opened now. And that's all about how you can install a package in Visual Studio Code. So that's all right. Here you can see a lot of packages which you want to install, so just search here and click on install. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Alright, welcome back. So now we are going to learn how you can choose a theme in Visual Studio Code. So just go for the last option, setting here, and here you can see color theme, just click on it, and here you can see a lot of themes which are previously installed like light Visual Studio Code, light with dark. Now I'm going for light Visual Studio Code, and here you can see it's choose. I'm going for light plus default light, after that quiet light, after that solarized light, after that there is a dark themes like Abyss, Visual Studio Code, after that dark plus default dark, after that Kimby dark, Monokai dim, red, and there are a lot of themes. You can choose it as your compatibility, but I am choosing dark Visual Studio Code. And if you want to install additional color themes, just click on browse additional color themes right here, and it's searching for themes. Okay, so I like a dark theme because it's easier on the eyes when you are looking at a screen for a long time. It will preserve your eyes a lot better. You are free to choose whatever theme you want, and that's how you can choose a theme in Visual Studio Code. So now I'm going to close the settings on the air like here. And if you want to install other themes, just go for extensions, and here you can see themes, and here you can see a lot of themes available here. You can choose any theme and install there. So that's all about this video. Alright, welcome back. So now I am going to show you how you can customize the styling option here and explain to you what it is, so you can customize almost anything by adding your success or less. So if you are on PC, then you need to go to preferences or settings, then you will able to access that as well. So now I'm on Mac. I'm just going for setting here, preferences, and after that settings, and here you can see a lot of settings available to edit, and here you can choose settings as your compatibility. You can go there and customize it. And that's all about how you can customize the styling for Visual Studio Code. Alright, welcome back. Now we are going for talk about the hack on the internet script. So again, this is just a summary of what it does. So you can say internet script is a bit of JavaScript or CoffeeScript as like run a startup. You can use it to quickly change the behavior of Visual Studio Code. Okay, you can uncover some of example or try out your own. You can go for walkthroughs like learn the fundamentals and click on it. Here you can see a lot of settings or themes you can choose and customize your Visual Studio Code. Okay, so Visual Studio Code is very customizable and open source, so you can free to do it, which is great. So you can do a lot of things with it once you know those skills. Okay, that's all about how you can customize your Visual Studio Code. Alright, welcome back. So now we are going to talk about how you can add a snippet in Visual Studio Code. So if I go for preferences, and now there is option for user snippet, just choose it. And here you can see I create a lot of user snippets here. If you want to create a new snippet, just go here and new global snippet file. You can create a user snippet for only for a folder or only for a file, and you can also create a global snippet for you can use in any folder or file. So now I'm going to create a global snippet file. Just click on it. So here you can type your snippet name. I'm just type sample SAMPLE and hit enter. And here you can see some previous code are written. Here you can edit your snippets. So here you can edit your code snippet starting from prefix what you want to type, and after typing you can see your snippet. Like I'm going for user snippet like US. If you type US in your code editor, then you can see your snippet. Then here you can type print to console. So right here it is a user snippet. I'm just typing it. It is a user snippet. And here is a body. So I'm just typing this is the body of a snippet, and here is the description of your snippet. I'm just typing here code with PANKJ, code with Pankaj. And now here you can see all the lines are commented, but you have to uncomment this file, like here, and also this line, also this line, and again you have to do that. And you are ready to go. You have to press Command plus S to save it, and your code snippet is saved. Now you can create a new file. Just here I'm creating a new file. I'm just write the name sample. I'm just writing user snippet.c. Now here you can type your code. As example, if I type here the US, if I type US in this editor, US, so here you can see your user snippet is there, and here you can see it's a user snippet shown here. Just hit enter, and here you can see this is the body of snippet which I have written there. This is the body of snippet. And if you type US, here you can see it is a user snippet. It's for this, it's for your snippet display to present here. You can create a lot of snippets for a single folder or a global folder. Now I'm going to close this right here. And again, this is just a summary of some of the features inside of Visual Studio Code. So that's all about how you can add a user snippet in Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching. Alright, welcome back. So now we are going to talk about keyboard shortcuts. If I click on preferences and now go for keyboard shortcuts, here you can see a lot of shortcuts present here. You can edit as compatibility to you. You can also search any keyboard shortcuts here, like I'm just searching for copy. How can copy any text? Here you can see copy for Command C. If you press Command C, you can copy your code. And if you want to paste it, just search for paste command. Now here you can see paste for Command V. If you want to paste any text in Visual Studio Code, just press Command plus V. So here you can see a lot of shortcuts which you have used in Visual Studio Code. So if you want to edit any keyboard shortcut, just go for your pencil icon, click on it, and here you can press any key combinations which you want to prefer this shortcut. And there are a lot of keyboard shortcuts present in Visual Studio Code. You can copy your keyboard shortcuts from here or paste it on the wall in front of you. Now as example, if I go for as a home page and just press Command Shift P, so it's open for command palette. You can search here anything you want. You can here add a new program or print your code snippet, clear your terminal, an example, and so on. Here you can search and do anything you want. Okay, so there you go. It works on both operating system on Windows or Mac also. So that's all about how you can learn your keyboard shortcuts in Visual Studio Code. So thanks for watching. Alright, it's a summary section. Congratulations on finishing the section on Visual Studio Code text editor. And this video we are going to cover a summary of what we have learned through this section. So in the first couple of videos, we have downloaded and installed the Visual Studio Code text editor on there, which is completely free. Then I talk about features inside the Visual Studio Code. After that, we talk about how you can open a project in VS Code. After that, we're going for version control system with Git and GitHub. After that, we learned how you can collaborate with live share with your colleagues or classmates. After that, we learned how you can install a package or choose a theme. After that, we learned a user snippet section right here, description and user snippet. After that, we're going for keyboard shortcuts right here. So that's all about this section. So in this section, we already learned overview and download and install, how to open a project, version control with GitHub, collaborate with Teletype, install a package, choose a theme, styling, customizing, user snippet and keyboard shortcuts, and also covered summary section. So that's all about this section. So thanks for watching my video. I will see you in my next video. Now you have to press the like button or share and hit the subscribe button also. So now thanks for watching. Bye bye.